Taking the left hand to the mat, exhale as you reach over, stretching down the right side. Inhale, switch, taking the right hand to the mat, left hand up and over. Coming back to center, dropping the left ear to the left shoulder, getting a stretch down the right side of the neck. Roll the head forward and take the right ear to the right shoulder. Drop the head forward once more to the left and once again to the right, releasing any tension from the neck. Bring the head back to center, extending the right leg. Inhale the arms up, exhale hinge towards the foot, either resting the hand on the shin or the foot. Relax your shoulders, relax your neck. Inhale up, placing the left hand behind, coming into your wild thing, pushing through the right heel, reaching from the fingers to the toes. Bringing the hips down, switching the legs, extending the left leg. Inhale the arms up, exhale forward once again, reaching for the shin or the toes. Let the neck be relaxed here. Inhale, reach the right arm back, and lifting the hips, stretching from the fingers to the toes, right down the left side. Slowly bringing the hips down, adjusting the hips, setting them back and down as you inhale the arms up, hinging forward, reaching into your fingertips, getting a good stretch into the inner thighs and hips. Using your breath to release any tension. Sliding the hands up, coming into your tabletop on hands and knees. Hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Dropping the belly as you come into your cat-cow. Inhale, drop the belly, bring the head up. Exhale, round the spine. Inhale and exhale. And bending the right knee, extending the foot towards the ceiling as you arch your back, round, bringing the knee towards the nose. Exhale as you round. Inhale, taking the foot towards the ceiling. This time, step the right foot on the outside of the mat, hands on the inside, coming into your runner's lunge. So you can either be on the fingertips here or the palms of the hands. Use your breath. Placing the left hand onto the mat, tuck the left toes under and reach the right arm up towards the ceiling. Coming into your twist. Dropping the back knee, engage the core as you bring yourself up into a twist. Keeping the arms open. Inhale the arms up, exhale down. So taking the hips back, bringing the toes towards you. You may want to walk your hands back a bit further just to get a deeper stretch here. Bringing that right leg back. Extending the left foot towards the ceiling. Rounding as you bring the knee towards the nose. Exhale as you round. Inhale as you arch the back. Stretching into the back. This time stepping the left foot forward to the outer edge of the mat. Hands on the inside. Coming into your runner's lunge once again. Stretching down the front of the right hip. Try to relax your shoulders here. You can either be on fingertips or palms. Placing the right hand down, tucking the right toes under, coming into your twist. Have the option to keep the right knee down on the mat. And you want to feel like you're lifting up towards the ceiling here, getting a good stretch across the chest. Drop the back knee, engaging the core. Whoop, bit of a wobble. Extending the arms so you're still getting a stretch across the chest. Inhale the arms up and down to the mat, coming into your hamstring stretch. Walking the hands back to get a bit of a deeper stretch, bringing the left toes towards you. You'll feel this right up the hamstrings into the hip and coming back into your tabletop. Extend the right leg back, pushing through the right toes to get a stretch down the backs of the legs. Have your hands spread wide. Bring the weight forward onto your hands as you lift that right leg, taking it over to the left side of your mat. Getting a good stretch down the right side. Looking down towards the toes. Bringing yourself back into tabletop, switching, pushing through the left toes. Once again, stretching down the back of the legs. Bringing the weight forward as you lift and take the leg over to the right side of the mat and gaze down towards the toes. This time stretching down the left side. Coming back to center. Open your knees wide, toes together. Sit the hips back and down, coming into your extended child's pose. Pushing the mat away with your hands so you're getting a good stretch into the shoulders. Pushing the hips towards the heels and breathing into your upper back. Taking a few moments here to notice how the body feels. And in your own time, slowly bringing yourself up into a seated position. When you're ready, inhale the arms up, palms together. Exhale to heart center. Namaste. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in more yoga and face yoga, please subscribe to my channel.